the South London suburb, when my first love kissed me goodbye. His lips were thin and tear stained, being stained. It was a pain that made me cold now. Half the oceans I cried, I made it still, just floating now. When I drive down this road, I reminisce. I drive slow, I let him go now. Just see those down, and sometimes red lights, closed eyes. I tell myself, I tell myself.